You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Make way for the King of Teams. Gonna get flashier than Mothra around here.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Stand back, Anne Marie. Let Gambit handle this one.
Remy Etienne LeBeau. Just because we're married now, don't mean you gotta protect me. I can handle myself.
Oui, je sais. I just can't imagine losing you, Cher. Not after I finally got you.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Together. The enemy has arrived.
Oh boy, am I glad I brought along an extra deck of cards. Now you do the same for me, we. Too many of them. Not liking the odds here. Hey, hit real hard.
Get that vehicle moving again!
Gambit got your back.
My step.
You did. You're lucky I got here before Remy did.
That's the stuff.
You're halfway there! Keep going!
I feel weary.
Lucky draw. Feel that hurt.
Well, that's better.
Gambit never fall!
Almost there! Don't turn back now!
Ain't nobody stealing Gambit's chance to win.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
They've got us outnumbered.
Watch me soar!
They hitting real hard. Gambit never fall! Got a good one.
Much better. You are under my protection.
I fall. You thought you got rid of me? Pas de chance.
That's the stuff.
Lucky draw. Anna Marie! They're gonna pay for this, Chef.
I suck.
Oh, we're gonna make him pay for that. Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man! Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Gambit coming back for more.
Sai, we need you back. I suck.
Gambit got your back.
Wait!
Lucky draw. Gambit never falls.
Taking it all.
Gambit never falls.
Like a spider.
Gambit got your back. Long's living up to her name.
Run, run.
They have been seen and they will not escape.
Mon Dieu, that hurt.
Behind you.
No holding back.
A thousand gods!
Can't keep this Cajun down for long.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
That's the stuff.
Gambit got your back.
I like the cold.
Boost I need.
You're amazing. I wish I could do what you do.
It's the grand finale. 30 seconds. Watch me soar. Double KO. The final 10 seconds.
The collector may be wild, but that ain't gonna stop this move.
The current score is 1-2-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. The right heroes could make all the difference.
Make way for the King of Thieves.
Round
Gonna
2.
get flashier than Mardi Gras around here.
Step aside.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Don't you worry that pretty little head, Fiend. This here thief is about to steal us away.
You're a thief? Please don't tell me you steal music, too.
The Gambit ain't no pirate shit. He only take what deserved.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Lucky draw.
Hi, that feels good.
Sai, we need you back there so much.
Lucky draw.
You were a fine captain.
A nice deep breath.
Now you do the same for me, Lee. Messing with my head.
End of the race. They're gonna pick one of life.
Better stop that vehicle.
use one of these.
Better.
Now you do the same for me, will you?
Better stop that vehicle! There's still a
Ain't
chance to
nobody
stop
stealing
them!
Gambit's chance to win.
They hit a checkpoint! Stop them!
1,000 gods!
Double KO! That's 3!
Laissez
Better
le bon
stop
temps
that
rouler.
vehicle! That hurts!
Gambit never fall! Gambit never fall! Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man! Magneto!
Better stop that vehicle! Final score 1-2-2. Well, you can't expect to win them all. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes.
Round one,
It is not the only invisible force in play here.
seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Time to get our fight on, Remy. Hope you brought a full deck.
I did, but it looked like the Joker's up and left for the other team.
Then you'd better charge up the rest. Between the two of us, things are about to get explosive up in here.
Wouldn't have it any other way, Fatih.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Don't you worry. Gabby got more than one easy. Just a handle surrendered for battle.
Fight this.
I'm made of glass.
Power beyond. The doctor is in.
Lucky draw. Just who Gandalf was looking for.
Leave them to Khonshu!
Medicine.
Hey, hit real hard. If Khonshu is, one of us needs to play with Khonshu's toys.
An unseen assist.
A nice deep freeze. Oh my god, he's down.
The mystic arts won't fail me again.
Healing light! An Ankh? Hey, that's my trick.
I am strengthened.
Just who Gandalf was looking for. Oh, is that your Spectre? Pardonnez-moi.
Good medicine. These Ankhs are dangerous, but
Only
friendly.
60 seconds left.
The perfect hex!
Leave them to Khonshu!
Power beyond sight.
Look behind you!
By the eye.
Against the world!
By the eye.
I am ready to put on a show!
Who is supreme? You belong to me!
Match for the Sorcerer Supreme.
The current score is 0-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. The right heroes could make all the difference.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. four.
Go!
We two make quite the pair, Susan.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
It's always an honor to watch you work, Susan.
Really? Me? But you're one of the best spies in the world, Natasha.
Your powers beyond decades of stealth training are obsolete. You're a legend.
Thanks. Now, would you mind telling my brother that?
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
I am here to help. Power beyond sight!
Coming from behind. Clever.
An unseen assist!
Hitting real hard.
Leave them to Khonshu! Khonshu demands vengeance.
Us against the world!
May Khonshu show you.
Power beyond
I
sight!
am ready to put on a show!
Good medicine.
Extra layer of armor.
The perfect final score 0-1. Well, you can't expect to win them all.